Hello and welcome back to Car and a Question. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up.
Welcome back, guys. You're tuning in to Car and a Question on our YouTube channel. Today we have a great question for you. What should I carry in my emergency roadside kit? You want to handle that one?
Oh yeah, we are a AAA service provider, and AAA actually offers this to their Auto Club members. And I recently seen in the emergency kit that they're currently offering is a glass break tool. Okay, so if you get caught in your vehicle and you can't get out, you can safely break the glass. They also offer flares, road cones, maybe a poncho and a flashlight. I would also add a bottle of water and a warm jacket.
All that information makes sense to me.
And you're also going to want to tailor that to where you live. So if you live in Florida, you might not need the warm jacket. You might need the poncho.
Might need the poncho.
You might need the poncho.
What about crocodiles?
You might want some crocodile spray.
Is that a thing?
I don't know, but this emergency kit also, they had jumper cables. I don't know if I said jumper cables.
Yeah, jumper cables, very
Jumper
important.
cables or a jump box, also a good thing to keep in your vehicle if you're not staying up on your maintenance or just because you need it. Thanks for joining us at Car and a Question.